Listen carefully, read slowly, and learn English naturally. Today's story will teach you a powerful life lesson. Have you ever told everyone about your big dreams before you even started? And then, slowly, you lost the energy to do them? In a quiet village, there lived a young man named Simon. Simon had big dreams. Every week, he had a new idea. One day, he wanted to open a shop. Another day, he wanted to learn pottery. Then, he planned to build a house. But Simon had a habit. Before he started anything, he told everyone. He walked through the village and said, "I will build the biggest shop." People smiled, they clapped, they said, "That's amazing." Simon felt proud. That night, he felt successful, even before he started. But the next morning, something changed. The energy was gone. He felt tired, and he did nothing. Days passed. The shop was never built. Then Simon had another idea. "I will become a great potter." Again, he told everyone. Again, people praised him. Again, he felt happy. But again, he never started. Years passed like this. Many dreams, but no results. One evening, Simon sat alone. He felt lost and tired. An old man came and sat beside him. He asked softly, "Why are you so sad?" Simon said, "I have so many dreams, but I never finish anything." The old man smiled. "Come tomorrow morning, I will show you something." The next day, they met in a garden. The old man held 2 seeds. He gave one to Simon. "Plant it," he said. Simon planted it quietly under the soil. Then the old man took the second seed, but he did something different. He held it up and said loudly, "Look, this seed will become a big tree." People smiled. They praised him. Then he placed the seed on a rock in the open. Days passed. The seed in the soil was watered quietly. No one talked about it. Slowly, a small green plant appeared. It grew day by day, but the seed on the rock dried in the sun. It never grew. The old man looked at Simon and said, "Dreams are like seeds. They need silence. They need time. They need effort. If you talk too much, your energy disappears. People's praise makes you feel successful before you even begin. And then you stop trying." Simon stood still. He understood everything. That day he made a decision. This time he chose one simple goal, to build a chair. But this time he told no one. Every day he worked quietly, slowly. The chair took shape. He made mistakes. He fixed them. He kept going. After many days, the chair was finished. Simon sat on the chair. He smiled quietly. This time, it was real pride, not from words, but from work. But Simon did not stop. The next day, he started again. He built a table, then a small stool, then a shelf. Day by day, his skills improved. His hands became stronger. His work became better. Weeks turned into months. Months turned into years. One day, Simon opened a small furniture shop. He still said nothing. He did not announce it. He did not call people. He just continued his work. But something interesting happened. People started to notice. They saw his beautiful work. They told others. More people came. Slowly, his small shop became bigger and bigger. Years later, Simon owned a large furniture center. Everyone in the village knew him. They respected him. But Simon never changed. He still worked quietly. He never spoke about his plans. He only showed his results. He never told people his dreams. But one day, everyone saw them. Dreams don't need noise. They need action. Do you believe this is true? Stay with us and learn English with more beautiful stories.